Hello and welcome back to Network Chronicles. If you're new here, this series is designed to take you from complete beginner to understanding the technologies that power our connected world. So, let's continue our journey. In our last episode, we explored what a computer network is. But that naturally leads to another question. Why don't all networks look the same? Think about it for a moment. The Bluetooth connection between your phone and your earbuds, your home Wi-Fi, your office network, your university campus, and even the internet itself. They're all networks. So why do we give them different names? The answer comes down to one simple idea: how far a network reaches. By the end of this video, you'll understand the four major types of computer networks: personal area networks, local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks. And you'll be able to recognize which ones you use every single day. Imagine you've just paired your wireless earbuds with your smartphone. They only need to communicate across a few meters. Now imagine connecting every device inside your home. Now an entire office building, then an entire university campus, and finally, networks that span countries and even continents. Clearly, one type of network can't efficiently serve every situation. That's why networks are classified according to their size and purpose. Let's begin with the smallest one. A personal area network, or PAN, is the smallest type of computer network. It usually exists around a single person and covers only a few meters. Whenever your smartphone connects to your smartwatch, your wireless earbuds, a Bluetooth speaker, or a fitness tracker, you're using a personal area network. These networks commonly use Bluetooth, NFC, or USB. They're designed for convenience and short-range communication rather than long-distance connectivity. Now let's zoom out. A local area network, or LAN, connects devices within a relatively small area, such as a home, office, school, or small business. This is probably the type of network you use most often. Inside a LAN, devices communicate at very high speeds using Ethernet cables, Wi-Fi, or both. A LAN allows people to share internet access, files, printers, storage, and applications. Because everything is located nearby, local area networks are usually fast, reliable, and cost-effective. Now zoom out once more. A Metropolitan Area Network, or MAN, connects multiple local area networks across a city or a very large campus. Imagine a university with several buildings spread across different locations. Each building has its own LAN. When those LANs are connected together, they form a MAN. You'll also find MANs being used by city governments, hospitals, cable television providers, and large educational institutions. Now it's time to look at the largest category. A wide area network, or WAN, connects networks across countries and even continents. Unlike a LAN, a WAN brings together many smaller networks over vast distances. The largest WAN ever created is the internet. When you open a website, your request begins on your home LAN, travels through your internet service provider, across national fiber networks, under oceans through submarine cables, and finally reaches cloud data centers, often in just a few milliseconds. Now let's compare them. A PAN covers just a few meters around one person. A LAN connects devices inside a home, office, or building. A MAN connects networks across a city or large campus. A WAN connects networks across countries and continents. As networks grow larger, they also become more complex. Now, without even realizing it, you probably use all four types of networks every single day. Your phone connects to your smartwatch. That's a PAN. Your phone joins your home Wi-Fi. That's a LAN. Your internet provider connects your region. And when you browse a website anywhere in the world, you're using the internet, the world's largest WAN. Many people think Wi-Fi and LAN mean the same thing. Not quite. Wi-Fi is simply a wireless technology. A LAN can be wired, wireless, or a combination of both. Another common misconception is that the internet is a LAN. In reality, the internet is the world's largest wide area network. Understanding these differences creates the foundation for learning routers, switches, IP addressing, routing, and everything else that follows in networking. Today we learned what a personal area network is, how a local area network works, where metropolitan area networks are used, why wide area networks connect the world, and how these four network types compare. In our next episode, we'll answer another important question. What's the difference between a hub, a switch, and a router? You'll finally understand what each device does, why switches replaced hubs in modern networks, and how routers make communication between different networks possible. If you enjoyed this episode, consider subscribing to Network Chronicles and joining us as we continue exploring the fascinating world of networking, one concept at a time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.